So here's the downpipe. I've got water dripping out of there somewhere over there, so I want to hop up on my ladders and have a look. I presume that's blocked. Up the top of the ladders, and you can see there all water. There's a little cork bobbing around in there. So we've got a blockage there somewhere. Could be at the bottom of the pipe. I don't know. I'm going to undo those clips, check the drain, and we'll see if we can get it away. First thing, I'm going to check this drain at the bottom. All full of gravel. Rake that out. I can feel at the bottom of the downpipe there's stuff lodged in there. I have to unscrew this downpipe and then sort of jiggle it out and probably get covered in water. The main blockage appears to be in this pipe here somewhere, but I'll let all that run out first and then I'll get that pipe off so I don't get absolutely soaked. It's not running quite as heavy now, so I'll try and get this off. I'm going to have to give this a bit of a jiggle from the top. And face full of water. Not exactly how I planned, but anyway. That's what came out the bottom of the pipe there when I lifted it up. So that's now clear, so I'm going to rake this around the waste, so you get that away and get the pipe back on. Yeah, absolutely soaked. Don't want to shower when I get back. Right, get this dug out. I'll stick. Right, connect that up for now. Put the pipe on just to stop this dripping down here. I've temporarily just put that pipe in there just to divert them trickles of water down out of the way of where I'm working, and I can hopefully get in there and clean that bit drain out. Feel them at the bottom of the gulley there. It's like a bit of a soot trap. Let that out. Not the most pleasant of jobs, but it has to be done. Right. That's pretty much clear. So I'm just going to flush some water down there now, give it a good swill out. As you can see, there's still quite a few leaves in this gutter, and it's actually holding some of that water back, so I'm going to rake all of those out as well. I'll clean the worst of the debris out from there as well. It was bunged up all along here, so it's not too bad now. And there we are, downpipe unblocked, drain unblocked, cleaned up the best I can around there, and I'm absolutely soaked, so it's me done for the day.